Anyway, so keep it on the final edition. Final edition, but we are corporate then because we party until Jimmy say when. Until the government of Jamaica say when. Now, please.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know what to deal, my peeps. My dad self telling a walk one for to go on, you see me. So obviously on see the viral video, you know, that happened at ZIMI Party. It Mashup. We posted it over 3 hours ago on our other social media account on the full video, you see me, I said, but we come to give you more intricate details of what's happening. As you know, this is a high priced event and you don't expect this type of behavior because I thought it was in Jamaica and people spend forgetting, you know, that you look at they get thousand and them things that way people can normally afford, you know what I mean? So you don't expect this type of behavior. So we're getting to find out a couple of the individuals involved, you know what I mean? We get to hear say I want Deportee is the one that who started it. You see me, I say we say I want select a boy, you know what I mean, and them friend them from New York come travel down, you know what I mean, to attend the function with him. You see me, I say them I said some people on the block did I try to calm down the thing, you know what I mean, as he was trying to diffuse it and defend his mother and all of this stuff. So be innocent bystanders get mashed up my people. So you can look out for some corporate lawsuits in the near future because at the end of the video, you can see one boy who was defending, you know, his peoples. You know, I'm getting mashed up, look like one Indian boy, you know, not like no African, you see my say. So apparently, connected to one of the men involved, later starting, for all the people who think I came to yard causing trouble, suggesting that the accusations were, you know, already circulating about who initiated the confrontation. I can tell you, though all of them deactivated them IG page. This man said because you know say some criminal charges is going to be placed. This man said these type of things can happen at these type of events and no repercussion come out of it. This man said so the Babylon boy have the whole of them fears, the whole of them information, and just like with, you know, the thing with Jeffrey and Chaffee, you know what I mean, some people have forgot paying. You see me, I say some of them tourists have forgot paid, you see me, and this is why people don't really want for party around black people, you see me. Now the industry is talking, can dancehall artist Masicka defeat Alkaline's record of 13,000 tickets sold and become the youngest and the baddest, you know, to do it in a Barclays Center and them sellout settings. You see me, I say, you know, the promoter say Alkaline did sell out when them hit 13. And you know, some reselling, you know, business go on, so it make it look like say a 15,000 seats them, you know what I mean? But right now the people that is talking about Masicka, he didn't even clock 9,000 tickets sell already, you know. This man say so it's gonna really take a miracle and for beat Alkaline in the next couple of days. And just like with Alkaline and the reselling ticket business, it looked like somebody bought over 2,000 tickets at Masicka event overnight. You see my say, it look like them just want the sellout record, even though, you know, the whole people who buy the ticket, them is not going to be in attendance. That's why when you look on Cartel Barclays Center versus the others, it's not the same, even though them say it's sellout, don't it? Because everybody was in full attendance in a Cartel show them. But just like the promoter say, a 15,000 Alkaline sell, Cartel sell 15,005 and them 290 each. This man say, and you know, the third time around him sell over 18,006. You see me? So we don't know if a Masicka got defeat Alkaline. It doesn't really look like way. And you know, say CJ Milan and Be Reverend thing might reschedule again. You see me? I say, so do the right thing and subscribe to the King and check out these next suggested videos and it's upon the screen. And in the meantime, this man I say, bless.